In today's video, I'll show you how to download your Klaviyo profiles quickly and easily. Exporting your audience data is key for analysis, backups, or moving it to another platform. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and clicking on the Audience tab from the home page. Then select Profiles to access all your contact data. Browse through the list and choose the profiles you want to export. Next, click on Profile Actions and select Export Profiles. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Start Export to begin the process. Klaviyo will save your profiles in a file format you can use for analysis or transfer to other platforms. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Klaviyo profiles. This simple skill helps you manage your audience data efficiently and make informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.